Hello everyone, Sans here. In this video, we will do the unboxing video of Realme 3. I bought this Realme 3 from an online marketplace at the price around $130. Alright, here is the package of Realme 3. The package is quite simple. There is a Realme logo on the front side, and on the right side there is also Realme 3 logo. And at the top, there is the new logo of Realme. On the right, there is also Realme 3 logo, and on the back, here is some specification of Realme 3 with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs internal memory with dynamic black color, and also some information about this product. There's also a barcode on this side. So let's find out what's inside the box right now. This phone was launched on March 2019. It comes with MediaTek chipset with Helio P60. Okay, here is what we got from inside the box. First we got this. Inside, first thing we see is SIM tray ejector pin. Here it is. And when we open the package again, we found the manual books and some guidebook. There is also a warranty card. And also a jelly case. This is the jelly case. The case is thick and flexible. Then let's take a look what else we got from inside the box. Let's put the phone first and see what else we got here. The first we got micro USB cable. And the charger with the Realme logo on the front side. That's it, nothing else inside the box. We only got SIM tray ejector, micro USB cable, and charger adapter. Now let's take a look at the phone. There are 2 cameras on the back side of the phone. And here they stated that it can be used with dual SIM and micro SD card simultaneously. So it's not a hybrid slot, and you can use dual SIM and micro SD card at the same time. Let's open the plastic first. And the sticker. This is the back design of Realme 3 with dynamic black color. It's a very interesting design with a fingerprint sensor at the back side and also dual camera with flashlight. The first camera on this phone is 13 megapixel with f1.8. And the second camera is 2 megapixel for depth sensor only, and the third one is LED flash. On the front side, there is a single camera with 13 megapixel f2.0. On the right side of the phone, there is a power button. And on the left side, there is a volume rocker button and SIM card slot. Let's open the SIM card tray. You can put dual SIM card and micro SD card there. At the bottom, there is a speaker, micro USB port, microphone, and also 3.5mm jack audio. So let's turn on the Realme 3 phone right now. While waiting for the phone to turn on, let's put on the case and see how it looks. It looks pretty thick. Now let's set up the face unlock. And now we will register a fingerprint to this phone. The fingerprint has been registered. It's done. Continue. Let's click continue and set as new Realme phone. This new Realme phone comes with ColorOS 6. And here's the first look of Realme 3 ColorOS 6 display. ColorOS 6 comes with a new updated UI. At the first startup, we got a bunch of new local applications. Unfortunately, it can be uninstalled later. And here's the Smart Assistant. Let's allow some of this permission to see how it looks. This is the new UI. UI looks fresh with ColorOS 6. Now let's check out the camera quality of Realme 3. Let's take a few photos. We got 2x zoom here on this Realme 3 phone. And here is the first photo. This is the second photo. The quality is pretty good for the low budget smartphone. Let's take another photo. This is the photo from another angle. Let's take another close-up picture. Here it is. It's pretty sharp and vibrant. Impressively good with the phone on this price range. This is some of the photo quality. Pretty sharp actually. Don't forget to click subscribe button if you want to see the full review of this phone and also other new phone. We will check out the photo and video quality of this new phone. And we will also compare the camera quality with other smartphones like Samsung Galaxy M20 and also Huawei Y7 Pro. And maybe Redmi Note 7 later. So I think that's all for the unboxing video of Realme 3. Don't forget to click thumbs up button if you like this video and also subscribe if you want more videos like this. See you in the next one.